developers would have come across these particular FreeCodeCamp lessons and they are unable to solve this particular question. Yeah, it's very simple. I will need to explain what we're going to do here to get to calculate this particular array and divide it and get the average of this both array. So we're going to use the reduce method. Reduce method is like a function that we call on array that will boil down or calculate the values in that particular array. So for that, let us have a variable of sum to sum up or to calculate the values in this particular array using the reduce method. So here, as you all know, this particular get average parameter it represents this particular array that's here. So that means this is the array. So we need to copy this array and paste it here. So once we paste this array here, we're going to call the reduce method that I explained earlier on it. And the reduce method used to have a callback function. And inside the callback function, we used to have 4 parameters, but we're going to use 2. The first one is the accumulator, and the second one is the current index. So the current index and the accumulator, this is the correct array here, while the accumulator is what we calculate the correct array and give us all the value in this current array. So now we're going to calculate it. So accumulator plus the current index. So we need to have the initial value that's going to start from 0. So that means this array is going to start counting from 0. It's going to calculate all these values from 0. So now we should have, let us return this sum and see what we're going to get in our console. So here we get the sum up of this particular array is 717, and the sum up of all these arrays is 854. So now the next thing we need to do is to divide this particular array. We need to divide it in our average and get our average so that we can log the average on our console. So this is how we're going to do that. We're going to also have a variable of array. So this variable of array is going to get this particular sum and divide it by the length of that scores array. So now, if we log out the average, this is what we're going to get. So we're going to have the 71 point, which is the correct answer FreeCodeCamp expect us to get. So let us check if we pass this perfectly. We did it. So congratulations, your code passes submit. So this is how we're going to solve this particular question. So watch out for the next question, and any other question that you're looking for, we're going to be solving them on this particular channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you can get updates on any examination that requires certificates that we can recommend for you developers. Thank you.